Hey everyone, welcome back to Biology Learning Space. Today, let's dive into the mystery of photosynthesis. Let's go. Important topics of this chapters are 1. Photosynthesis definition or significance. 2. Early experiments. 3. Pigments involved. 4. Light reaction, photochemical phase. 5. Cyclic or non-cyclic photophosphorylation. 6. Chemiosmotic hypothesis. 7. Dark reaction, biosynthetic phase. 8. C3 cycle, Calvin cycle. 9. Photorespiration. 10. C4 pathway, Hatch or Slack. 11. CAM pathway. And 12. Factors affecting photosynthesis. In today's video we will discuss the definition of photosynthesis and early experiments of photosynthesis. Let's start with the definition. The definition is photosynthesis is the process by which green plants, algae and some bacteria use carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to produce glucose and release oxygen as a byproduct. The balanced chemical equation is 6 molecules of carbon dioxide plus 6 molecules of water forms 1 molecule of glucose plus 6 molecules of oxygen in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Now we will discuss about SPME early experiments that uncovered the mystery of photosynthesis. In 1770, Joseph Priestley placed a burning candle in a closed jar. It soon went out. But when he added a mint plant, the candle could burn again. And he concluded that plants purify air, which we now know is due to oxygen release. Next came Jan Ingenhousz. He repeated Priestley's experiment in the dark, and nothing happened. But in sunlight, bubbles formed on the plant. This proved that light is essential for photosynthesis. Then Julius von Sachs showed that starch is formed in green leaves when exposed to light. He stained leaves with iodine and found starch only in green areas. Photosynthesis makes food. Finally, T.W. Engelmann used Cladophora algae and aerobic bacteria under a prism's light. He noticed that bacteria gathered mostly in the blue and red light zones. That's how he discovered the action spectrum of photosynthesis. Amazing how these scientists unlocked nature's secrets, right? Hit like, subscribe, and comment your favorite experiment. And keep learning with Biology Learning Space. Thanks for watching.